In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. Whether you're moving data into a new workspace or just organizing existing information, this process will help streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is access the import/export settings within ClickUp. To do this, head on over to your workspace settings. This section is your control center for customizing how things operate and how information enters or leaves your workspace. Once you're in the settings, keep an eye out for the Import/Export section. This feature is incredibly useful when you're dealing with large volumes of data that you need to bring into ClickUp for various projects. Now that you have that section open, it's time to initiate the import process. You'll see an option that says Start Import. Go ahead and click on it to start bringing your files into the system. This step is your entry point for moving all that important data into a place where it can be most useful to your team. Next, ClickUp will prompt you to select the type of file you want to upload. You'll typically see different options depending on the nature of your data. For most data files, you might find that Excel and CSV is the appropriate choice. The platform is quite versatile and can handle different formats, but Excel and CSV are common because of their capability to store vast amounts of structured information that you might want to manage within ClickUp. After you've chosen the file type, it's time to upload the file from your computer. Navigate through your folders, select the file you need, and upload it. At this point, ClickUp might ask you to perform a little bit of extra work on mapping columns. Mapping columns are necessary to ensure that the data flows correctly into the fields within your ClickUp tasks or projects. It might seem a bit technical, but taking a few moments here can save you from headaches down the road by ensuring your data aligns perfectly with your workspace structure. Once you've got these mappings in place, you're nearly finished. Finalizing the import is the last piece of the puzzle. By following the instructions ClickUp provides, you'll confirm that all the information is accurately directed to the right spots within your workspace. This step ensures everything is organized in a way that makes it easy for you and your team to locate and analyze the data whenever needed. And that's how you upload files in ClickUp. By following this process, you ensure that all your important data is right there when you need it, helping your team to remain efficient and organized. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more ClickUp tips and tricks. See you next time.